I'm not gonna lie, I am so scared to watch this video. Lord knows I don't want to watch this video. I shouldn't watch this video. This is about to be a praying mantis. It's about to murder a hummingbird and eat it in seconds. That's the title of this video. And this video is only a minute long. So I know it's going to instantly happen. And I'm assuming that's the praying mantis right there. I shouldn't watch this. I'm scared to see this. A hummingbird? Not a bird. Don't do it to the bird, bro. Not the bird. Don't do it to the bird. Oh, no. Oh, no. I don't know. I'm feeling this. Woo! I don't know if I can watch this. A hummingbird? Like if it was a worm or something, it would be a lot easier to watch. But a bird? Like a real bird? Good Lord. Okay. It's your boy Young Meechy, aka Sconey Mac, aka Young Twiggy, aka the Bear YouTuber, the V-Town YouTuber. Today reacting to, oh Lord, praying mantis will eat and murder a hummingbird. I didn't even know praying mantis could do that. What the freak? Go ahead and bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Ayy. Hallelujah. Yeah. Hallelujah. We back again, baby. Bow. Oh, man, it's that time to start the video. Make sure you leave a like, share, subscribe, join the One Heart fam. I don't want to watch this. I don't want to watch this. Please, I don't want to hear it. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm scared, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm scared. Ah! Ah!
No, 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 no. No.
What?
Oh gosh, no. 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 No, 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 no. 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 Oh my gosh. No. Literally puts.
Oh, my Lord. Good. No. Oh, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ooh-wee. Why y'all get this close?
Head and eats out of it.
That's so cool.
What did he say is cool?
How did it catch that?
It's crazy that a bug can kill a bird like that.
Bruh, that is crazy. How the heck did that thing? Oh, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
It is crazy.
This doesn't usually happen.
It probably happens more than we realize.
You don't usually get to see that.
Right. That's right.
That was vicious. I'm not even gonna lie, that was vicious. We worrying about pit bulls out here. We need to be worried about the praying mantis. Freaking praying mantis out here freaking snatching up hummingbirds. A bird that can fly. Think about that. Every pit bull I've known in my life has been good to me. Has been a good dog. And we freaking typecasting, stereotyping pit bulls. And look at the freaking praying mantis over here tripping out, catching hummingbirds, catching stuff that can fly. He wasn't supposed to catch that hummingbird. Bruh. I'm shook right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm over here about to cry. Peace out one time for the one time. Pour it up one time for the hummingbird out here and the struggle. I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know if y'all should send me any of these type of videos again, man. Lord have mercy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Load it up, click, clack, bow. Pour it up one time for the homie. One time for the home.